Low prevalence of CpG island methylator phenotype, CIMP, in Ugandan colorectal cancer, a molecular and clinicopathological analysis. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Genetic and epigenetic aberrations are responsible for the development of colorectal cancer, CRC, that are inherited or gained during life, or both. A number of risk factors for CRC have been determined in epidemiologic studies which include age, obesity, race, diet, cigarette smoking, inflammatory bowel disease, family history of colon cancer, intake of alcohol and physical inactivity. A recognized subgroup of colorectal cancer, CRC, known as CpG island methylator phenotype, CIMP, is associated with particular patient outcomes and genetic defects in developed high-income countries. CIMP is a well-defined epigenetic subtype in CRC, but its prevalence in African populations remains understudied. In Uganda, the CIMP status of colorectal cancer has not been determined despite the increase in the incidence of CRC according to the Kampala Cancer Registry. Hence, the objective of this cross-sectional study was to determine the CIMP status of colorectal cancer in Ugandan patients. This was a retrospective study carried out between 2008 and 2021 involving formalin-fixed paraffin-embedded CRC tissue blocks. Next-generation sequencing, NGS, was used to interrogate pathogenic variants which were present in the MMR genes, BRAF 600E and CRAS. The MSI status was also obtained using immunohistochemistry on MLH1, MSH2, MS86 and PMS2. Targeted next-general bisulfite sequencing was used for CIMP testing based on a validated quantitative DNA methylation assay. We analyzed CIMP status in 92 CRC patients using a 13-gene panel which included APC, CACNA1G, MINT31, CDKN2A, CRABP1, IGF2, IGFBP3, MGMT, RASSF1, SEPTIN9, SFRP2, SOCS1, SV2C, MINT1, TMEFF1, HPP1, and Wi-Fi. CIMP was defined as greater than or equal to 613 methylated genes. Out of 92 cases which had an adequate quantity of DNA to carry out CIMP analysis, 11.9% were CIMP positive and 88.0% were CIMP negative. CIMP positive tumors represented 5.8% of MSI positive tumors compared with 10.7% of MSS tumors, and this did not reach statistical significance, p is equal to 0.516. CIMP was associated with BRAF mutation, p is equal to 0.013. There were 11.1%. CIMP positive tumors in the left colon and 13.8%. CIMP positive tumors in the right colon, and this did not reach statistical significance, p is equal to 0.713. There were 3.9% colorectal tumors having pathologic missense BRAF 600 mutations and 6.3% colorectal tumors having pathologic missense CRAS mutations. In contrast to Western studies, Ugandan colorectal tumors exhibited low BRAF and KRAS mutation rates. There was a lack of association between MSI and CIMP which differs from global trends. However, in keeping with studies from the West, there was an association between CIMP and BRAF mutation. Compared to Western developed high-income countries, in Uganda the prevalence of CIMP-positive tumors is low. CIMP is a distinct epigenetic subtype of colorectal cancer in Ugandan patients. The low CIMP prevalence suggests potential ethnic or regional variations in CRC pathogenesis, warranting further study. Introduction. Colorectal cancer, CRC, is a common and complex disease that starts in the colon or rectum and can spread if not treated. It develops due to both inherited and lifestyle-related genetic changes. Recent studies show that not just genes, but also changes in how genes are switched on or off, like DNA methylation, play a big role. One such pattern, called the CpG island methylator phenotype, CIMP, involves turning off tumor-fighting genes and is linked to a specific type of CRC. CIMP tumors may behave differently based on location and genetic changes, but identifying them accurately is difficult due to limitations in current testing methods. In Uganda, certain genetic traits, like microsatellite instability, MSI, appear more often compared to Western countries. This study aimed to explore the genetic features of CIMP-related colorectal cancers in Ugandan patients, helping to better understand and treat this disease in local populations. Conclusion. Compared to Western developed high-income countries, in Uganda the prevalence of CIMP-positive tumors is low. In contrast to Western studies, Ugandan colorectal tumors exhibited low BRAF and KRAS mutation rates. There was a lack of association between MSI and CIMP which differs from global trends. However, in keeping with studies from the West, there was an association between CIMP and BRAF mutation. CIMP is a distinct epigenetic subtype of colorectal cancer in Ugandan patients. The low CIMP prevalence suggests potential ethnic or regional variations in CRC pathogenesis, warranting further study. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.